Of course, for everyone, focus is needed, whatever the work you're doing. Just imagine whatever you're doing, if you're 100% involved. Some people say, in other words, whatever you're working, if you're loving your work, in Telugu we call a quotation called Paniye Pratyaksha Daivam. Work is worship. So, if you worship, what will happen? Your energies are increasing. Right? But if you're working, what happens normally? For the normal people, energy is decreasing. But when you learn the meditation and certain techniques, certain deepest aspects of meditation, whatever you do, the work from morning to evening, your energies will be increasing and increasing and increasing. So how you get energized in the night, we agree, right? Through the night, we energized with the proper relaxation. In the same way, or in a better way also, we can get energized throughout the day, morning to evening, whatever we are doing, whenever we are talking, whenever we are listening, whenever we are walking. Some walking also involved in the day. Agree? Walking is also there, right? So whenever we are walking, with every step, imagine our energies are increasing. Whenever you are walking, with every moment, and with every second, we are receiving the energies. So how many of you want that? How many of you are correlated to that? That, okay, yes, if that comes in our life throughout the day and throughout the nights, completely balance and peace of mind and energetic, more awareness, mindful life. How many of you are interested to that? 100%. Raise your hands. Very good. For that one, meditation is a better life, better lifestyle, mindfulness. Yeah, very good. And for that one, we need certain sincerity. How many of you agree to that? Sincerity is needed. Very good. So, and also balance also needed. Both things. We are not going any extremely. We are going everywhere with the balance. So here we kept this is all the arrangement for the people who can sit down. Can anyone sit down for 30 minutes on the ground? Can please come and sit front? 30 minutes. Of course, every 30 minutes, we'll ask you to stand up and sit down. Okay? It is about the sincerity, friends. And those who are sitting in the chairs also, a little bit come front side. Come front side, please. Yeah. Very good. So, when you're sitting down, also we want you to sit without any pain. Okay? Because we respect our body and we respect every single second. So if you're doing any yogasana, how many of you did any yogasanas? Raise your hands in your life. One time also, at least one time. Very good. Wonderful. You all can correlate with this example. So for example, one yogasana is there. We wanted to touch our hands to the feet. But we are able to touch, we are able to go here only, till here. what we need to do at that time? Do we need to, because everyone is doing, some people are doing not only touching the fingers, they're touching the whole hands also, and touching the head also to the knees. Some people are like that. Okay? So, at the time, we need to see them and get inspiration. And also we need to try our best, stretch a little bit, 1% to 5% more. Whatever you can do, 1% to 5%. It is called a comfort and growing. With that pain, you will grow. Okay? Little bit going out of the comfort zone. We are in the comfort zone. How much we are able to bend? Little bit, 1 to 5%. Little bit, let the pain happen here, little bit. Not too much also. You enjoy the pain. But long term, you need to consider long term consistency. Every day I'll be doing it so that one day I'll be reaching there. It is about the consistency that makes a winner, not that one day only too much stretching, and next day stopping. It doesn't help much. Agree? How many of you agree to that? Wonderful. So, I want all of you to sit comfortably. Whenever you get any pain, sit, go back slowly. With a smile, stand up, go back in the chair, sit in the chair, sit on the chair for 10 to 15 minutes. And once your pain is gone, again come back and sit here for at least 5-10 minutes. As much as possible, sit there, here. And if you're having pain, we don't want you to sit with a pain, because pain is again, it is 1% to 5% is called good pain. Good pain, okay. Bad pain is like you're getting uneasiness, and because of you're getting uneasiness, others also feel the negative vibrations, right? We don't want we want all positiveness. Clear? And about the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, how many of you heard the sage called Patanjali who invented the Patanjali Yoga Sutra? How many of you heard? And what about the rest? You haven't heard? Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Okay, cool. Just now you heard, okay? That's good.